Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull here once again for your daily crypto update. Let's get right into it. Well guys, you guys probably have heard, looks like Mr. Donald J. Trump has created his own meme coin and he is definitely getting super rich off it. I believe he's already, made like billions of dollars off his meme coin. So let's get right into it. Looks like Donald J. Trump on Friday, January 17, around 9:44 p.m. He created his meme coin and he posted this. My new official Trump meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for. Winning. Join my very special Trump community and get your Trump now. Go to gettrumpmemes.com. Have fun. So yeah, it looks like you get it at gettrumpmemes.com, but you could also buy it at Binance and a lot of DEXs. I think KuCoin, a lot of places already have it. And here, let's get, let me check on CoinMarketCap. So yeah, you could buy it at Binance, Meteora VD, that's a DEX. You can buy it at Radium, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, Radium, Kraken, KuCoin. So it's already available a lot of AAA exchanges. And I just saw that it got put on the roadmap for Coinbase. So it's not, you can't buy it yet at Coinbase, but it will be available to buy pretty soon. Current price of official Trump right now is $43.53. It says here on CoinMarketCap that the all-time low was $6.24, but that's not correct because on the DEXs, when it first came out, it was like 00 something. It's basically done over 1,000x since it first came out on the DEXs. But you basically have to have gotten in it, within the first 10-15 minutes, to get to get massive gains. Because after like 10-15 minutes, the official Trump moonshot it. It did like over like a 1,000x. In the first like 15 minutes, right around there. But I mean, if you got in it, like an hour, or I think about an hour later, it was already like at like $10-13. And by 3 hours, it was already like like above like $35. So definitely, Mr. Trump created his meme coin and then moonshot it, like within an hour. And within 3 hours, it hit over like $8 billion. Right now, it's already number 22 on CoinMarketCap. So, it's already, I checked earlier, it was at number 19. It was already in the top 20. But I guess right now it went down to number 22. So it's right around the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap already. It says the market cap right now is $8.73 billion. The only thing I don't like about it is that the circulating supply is low. Total supply is basically 999.99 million Trump, basically a billion Trump, but the circulating supply is only 200 million, so it's only 20%. So basically the team's going to be dumping, so definitely look out for that. And I'll get more into the Trump meme coin. We'll talk about it all throughout the the stream. But let's get right into the top 100 crypto bubbles and see what the market's looking like. Well, it's looking like a red day. Looks like a sea of red. I only see a few green bubbles. The biggest winner, of course, is Trump. The official Trump coin is up 47.4% up for the day. Then we got the meme coin, Fart coins up 22.9. Oh yeah, and in case you didn't know, Melania, Mr. Donald Trump's wife, the first lady to be tomorrow in the USA inauguration, she created her own meme coin too today. I guess, I mean, these guys are super rich. If Mr. Trump's making billions of dollars, why can't I? So it looks like the first lady, Melania, Donald Trump's wife, she created her meme coin today, but it's not doing as good, or not yet at least. It's only 9.7% up for the day. But basically, it didn't like do like 1,000x like, the Trump coin. I'm not really sure how much it did since it just came out, but I do believe the low, according to CoinMarketCap, is around like $6.50, right around there. Here, let's check it out real quick since we're talking about it. Let's go check out Melania, the Melania coin. See how these guys are getting rich. I mean, the number one couple of the USA, they're getting filthy rich. I mean, but that's good, I guess. It's good for crypto. Kudos to them if they have the power to do it, why not? Well, let's see. All we could do is ride their wave, and maybe buy the meme coins, and maybe we'll make some money too. I do expect a lot of dumping coming in for Trump. Though right now, I mean, it moonshot over 1,000x already, and Donald Trump and all the early buyers, all the insiders. I mean, because there's insiders, that bought the first 10 minutes, and made millions and billions of dollars. And basically, you have to get that inside knowledge. Here, I'm looking for Melania. I think it was like 60 something. Last time I checked here a little bit ago, it was 67. Where are you, Melania? Did you already go down? It was 67. Let's see if it went down already. Oh yeah, it went down to 84 right now. Let me click on it here and see what the tokenomics are for the Melania meme. With the ticker with the ticker is MELANIA. It's called Melania Memes. Number 84 on CoinMarketCap. Current market cap is $1.23 billion. Again, the total supply is 999.99 million, just following, Mr. Donald Trump's playbook. The max supply is 1 billion, so basically a billion. And the circulating supply is even lower than the Trump meme coin. This one's only, 162.21 million, so it's only 16% of the circulating supply. So, I expect a lot of dumping. So according to CoinMarketCap, the all-time low is 662, so it's only up 15% up from the all-time low. I didn't get to see what the initial DEX price was when it came out on Solana as well. But I'm sure it was, the insiders like Melania and the Trump family and all the insiders, they made some good money. I don't know the exact statistics on this one, but I do know that on the Trump, it's already over 1,000x from the initial DEX offering. So definitely kudos to Mr. Trump. And I guess this could be good for us too, because the more crypto gets mass adopted, and if the president of the United States is bullish on crypto, that's good for us. So that means he's definitely got to put in regulations for crypto, because he owns the meme coin now. So I mean, hopefully he gets rid of taxes, because I mean, if he's up like $20 billion in profit in his Trump coin, I mean, if capital gains tax, that'll take a good $5 billion, to like whatever his tax bracket is. Let's just say that his taxes are about $5 billion. So I mean, he might get rid of capital gains tax for crypto. That way he pockets a good $5 billion if he has to pay no tax. So kudos to Mr. Trump. Hopefully he gets rid of the capital gains tax. I don't know if he'll be able to, honestly. I mean, we might just all be dreaming. I don't know if he has that kind of power, but he is the president, so hopefully he's able to get rid of the capital gains tax. I would be really happy if that happens. So let's see what's going on. It looks like it's a sea of red. Most of the bubbles are red. Let's see what the favorites are doing. We'll get back to more Mr. Trump and the official Trump here, but we do got to look at our favorites here, because in this channel, we follow Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Avalanche, XCN, and Jasmy coin. Looks like they're down. It is a big red day. Looks like the Trump meme coin is taking all the liquidity. Looks like all the hype is going to Trump, and it's making all our altcoins retract. But it's just normal, for the Bitcoin market. They go up, and now they've been going up for a little while, so now they're gonna have retracement. But I do expect my view hasn't changed. I do believe Bitcoin is getting ready to make a new all-time high. It might be tomorrow during the inauguration for Trump. So we might get a Trump pump, but there is a small chance we might get a Trump dump. That's just the way the market goes. So a lot of times is buy the rumor and sell the news. So everybody's been buying the rumor of the Trump inauguration, and maybe right now the Trump dump, people have started to sell the news. So it's basically we're just a few hours away from Trump taking office here in the USA. We might start. This might be the beginning of the Trump dump, but we'll see. It doesn't matter. I still don't think Bitcoin's gonna go under like 90K. If we do go under 100K, that'll just be normal price action. I still believe 90K will hold. I don't listen to the FUD out there. I don't listen to the bears out there where they're calling like a 70K Bitcoin. I just don't think that's going to happen. I could pretty much kiss goodbye to the Bitcoin price of 70K or under. I don't think we'll see that price again until the next bear market. So let's check out, let's see our channel's favorites here. Bitcoin is down 3% down for the day. XRP is down 4.3% down for the day. XLM is down 7.1% down for the day. We got Jasmy coin 13.1% down for the day. Avalanche is down 9.9% down for the day, and XCN is 6.5% down for the day. But either way, stay bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. I do see a new all-time high coming in shortly. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, and then we'll do some more Trump meme coin coverage. But let's get right into the Bitcoin update, because Bitcoin is the original crypto. We have to always look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin basically runs the market. If Bitcoin goes up, all the rest of the altcoins go up even more. And if Bitcoin goes down, the rest of the altcoins go down even more. So the current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording right now is $101,477. We did manage to close today at 101,211, so that's very bullish. We're staying above 100K, even though we did dip as low as 99,500. We did dip as low as $99,518. We did recover and close at 101,211. So that's really good. Looks like we're bouncing back. And the day before that, we closed at 104,435, and the day before that, we closed at 104,107. So we have a few days here closing above 100K, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Although on January 16, we actually closed at $99,981, but I'm rounding up to 100K. So we've been closing at around 100K or above 100K for the last 5 days. So that's very bullish, and right now we are above 100K. Is the inauguration going to be a Trump dump tomorrow? That's the thing. Are we going to go under 100K again and maybe to the mid-90s? That might be a possibility. If that happens, don't let the market maker shake you out. Just be, like a quick Trump dump. And then, probably like in the next day or two, we'll have a recovery. Because I do believe, no matter Mr. Trump or any news out there, they could say whatever they want, about Trump and, the war, inflation, rate cuts, rate hikes, whatever the narrative is. That's just all really noise, because Bitcoin, it really only follows the 4-year cycle. So it doesn't matter what the news is. Bitcoin's going to keep following the 4-year cycle until it stops following it, but so far it hasn't. Ever since it got created in 2009, Bitcoin has been following the 4-year cycle, where it has 1 year bear market and 3 years of bull run. So on this cycle, the bear market was from November 2021 to until November 2022, and ever after November 2022, the bull run started. So we have 3 years of bull run from November 2022. So that's why we're basically in the last year of the bull run, and I do expect the bull run to continue until sometime around September, October, maybe even November 2025. But I see it more closely ending to around September or October 2025. So don't let the bears scare you out. A lot of people are saying that 108K is the top for Bitcoin, but I do believe we're basically bouncing back. We've been in this consolidation range between 90K and 100K for 2 months now. Literally exactly 2 months today, because ever since November 19. We've been ranging here from November 19 between 90K and 100K, and today is November 19. So we have literally exactly 2 months consolidating, and we're due for a breakout. In the past consolidations during this cycle, most consolidations were around 2 months. We did have 2 8-month long consolidations. That was from March to October in 2023 and March to October 2024. But the rest of the consolidation periods were only 2 months. So I don't expect it to go 8 months of consolidating, because if that happened, then basically the bull run would be over, and I don't expect the bull run to be over because the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin has never failed. And according to the charts, we're about ready to make new all-time highs and go parabolic. So definitely stay bullish. I do expect new all-time highs here at any day now. It might be tomorrow. Instead of a Trump dump, we might get a Trump pump tomorrow. I mean, Mr. Trump's got his own meme coin. Maybe this is, a Trump dump, a pre-Trump dump. Right now we're kind of dumping on Bitcoin and cryptos. But it might be like a big old bear trap. And tomorrow, when Donald Trump, has his inauguration speech, we might get a Trump pump, and Bitcoin might blast off. I'm more in the camp that we're gonna get a Trump pump tomorrow, so I do expect Bitcoin maybe to make a new all-time high tomorrow. But again, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody really knows 100%. What's gonna happen tomorrow in Bitcoin or crypto or the next day. Nobody really knows. All we could go is by probability. The reason I'm saying that I'm more leaning towards a Trump pump tomorrow is because today is exactly 2 months of consolidation. So we're due for a breakout for Bitcoin. So basically, if we don't get a Trump pump tomorrow, it'll be like really really soon. It might be the next day or the day after that. But either way, we get a Trump pump or a Trump dump. They still can't fade Bitcoin. If it's not tomorrow, in a few days, we will see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. I don't believe we're gonna go under 90K until Bitcoin goes above 120K. I do believe Bitcoin has to complete a 100% move from around 69K when it went into price discovery on November 6th. Here, let me pull up this chart here. See, because if you guys been following my channel, you would know that in the last previous 3 cycles that Bitcoin has had, every time it goes into price discovery, and price discovery is basically when it goes above its previous all-time high in the last cycle, it always makes a 100% move above that price before it has a deep correction. And by a deep correction, I mean like a 30% correction or more. So basically, on November 6, 2024, Bitcoin in this cycle went into price discovery when it surpassed 69K. 69K was the previous 2021 cycle top. So it surpassed it and it stayed above it. Because in March 2024, Bitcoin did wick above 69K. Shortly, it went above 69K to around 73K. For a few days, but it always came back down, because from March to October 2024, it was consolidating between 50K and 70K. So it didn't really go into true price discovery. But now in November 6, 2024, it went into true price discovery, went past 69K, and it went all the way up to 108K until December 17. And I do believe before we go into a deep correction of 30% or more for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has to complete that 100% move. It's got to double 69K before it has a deep correction. So 69 times 2 is around $138,000. So Bitcoin has the potential to get as high as $138,000 before we see a 30% correction for Bitcoin. And the reason I'm saying this is because it has done it the 3 previous cycle. Now, is it going to be different this time? A lot of people think, oh, it's going to be different this time, because of this reason or that reason. But most of the time, history repeats. It doesn't rhyme. History repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. So that's why I still expect Bitcoin to go up, close to 138K before we have a 30% or more correction. Now, I'm being conservative. I'm saying that Bitcoin has to at least go above 120K before we have a 30% correction. That's my price target. Once Bitcoin gets above 120K, then I will start expecting a 30% correction or more for Bitcoin. But, if the history repeats and it does a 100% move, after it does a price discovery, before it has a deep correction, then it does have the potential to get as high as $138,000. We shall see. We'll see if it does get as high as 138,000 or it only goes above 120K. But either way, I expect more upside for Bitcoin in the short term. I do not expect more downside. Now, there is a chance that the market maker does one last, final shakeout before we go parabolic again for Bitcoin. We might, drop into the range again between 90K and 100K before we have, a blast off moment to the moon. But if that happens, don't get shaken out. Don't let the market maker, scare you out of your cryptos. Don't be selling your Bitcoin or cryptos. Don't be that guy that sells your Bitcoin or crypto and then buys in at higher prices. Because if we do have one last shakeout, it'll be like a V-shaped recovery and we'll recover quickly. So if we do have one last shakeout, what I'm doing, I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, but what I do, if we have one last shakeout, I just buy the dip. So if we have one last shakeout, it's the perfect time to buy the dip. So stay bullish on Bitcoin. I do expect higher prices, and I'm more leaning towards a Trump pump tomorrow than a Trump dump. I would say I'm about like 60% in the camp that we're going to have a Trump pump tomorrow, and about 40% chance that we might have a Trump dump. But if I had to bet money on it, and I am because I'm holding my cryptos and I'm buying the dip, I expect a Trump pump tomorrow. But we'll see what happens. Nobody really knows 100% what's going to happen. Now let's go back into the Trump meme coin. We are going to cover the Trump meme coin here in this video here. So now in the Trump, it looks like Mr. Donald Trump, like you all know, he officially made his meme coin the only official Trump meme. Join the Trump community. This is history in the making. This is the website. You can find the website at CoinMarketCap for Mr. Trump on this meme coin Trump, official Trump. So it says, Trump, the crypto president, a community celebrating courage and strength. Trump, TRUMP, that's the ticker to the official Trump meme coin, is now freely tradable on the blockchain. On July 13, 2024, President Trump faced death and came up fighting with his fist in the air and the ionic battle cry, fight, fight, fight. President Trump showed the world what a leader is made of. His strength and courage ignited a movement, becoming the most memorable meme of the century. Now you can get your piece of history. This Trump meme celebrates leaders who don't. This Trump meme celebrates a leader who doesn't back down no matter the odds. Join the Trump community. We're all about fighting for what matters. Well, crypto matters to me. Again, guys, I'm not a political channel. I'm not Republican or Democratic. I just love crypto and I just want the best for crypto. Just letting you guys know. So the allocation for the Trump meme coin is there are $200 million Trump available on day one and will grow to a total of 1 billion Trump over 3 years. Each group's allocation are released on their own schedule over 3 years. So yeah, guys, they're gonna be dumping for the next 3 years. So be careful. All the insiders already, got rich. So they're gonna wanna, cash in their coins. They're gonna cash in their Trump meme coins, make money. So be careful. Unless you got in really early, and unless you got in, like under $10 or $13 right around there, be careful because we might see some dumping before it goes up again. But I don't know. You never know, though. It is a meme coin. We saw what Shiba Inu did last time. Maybe Trump coin is going to be the Shiba Inu of this cycle. Shiba Inu did over like a 1 million percent. So basically, 1 million percent is basically like over a 10,000x. So maybe Trump's already done over 1,000x, but maybe he's got a little bit more to run. So we'll see what happens. I'm just saying, be careful out there. But it is a meme coin. It's okay to invest in it because it is Trump. It might run some more, but just don't invest all your life savings into it because all the insiders, they got in it. When it was like under a penny. So they already made millions and billions. I believe, the initial price and the DEXs were like, 00 something. So they're already millionaires and billionaires. So just be careful out there. Don't invest your life savings on it. What I did, I just bought some like $500 worth. See what happens. But I mean, like, I'm not investing my life savings on it. But just be careful out there. But it still might go up. Might be another good 10x in it or something for the rest of the bull run. So let's see what else this website says. Says join the Trump meme community. The mission. This is your chance to join a community that's all about fighting for what matters. The Trump meme encourages a culture of success and optimism to make the world a better place. Go Trump. So this is Donald Trump here, and this is official meme coin with the ticker TRUMP. Join Trump's special community. Trump owned a piece of history. And it looks like it's got some frequently asked questions. Is this an official Trump product? Yes. The answer is yes. This is the only official Trump meme by President Donald J. Trump. What is the official contract address and symbol for the Trump meme? So if you can see it on the screen, this is the official web address. You could also find it on in the CoinMarketCap. The symbol is TRUMP. How can I get Trump memes? Moonshot is the easiest way. Users sign up with the email address, can deposit with Apple Pay, debit card, credit card, Venmo, Solana, USDC, and receive your Trump within minutes. What is a meme? Merriam-Webster's meme noun, an idea, behavior, style, or usage that spreads from person to person without culture. Another question. Why do I need to perform KYC when I buy on Moonshot? Looks like they're promoting Moonshot. Moonshot uses services like MoonPay that allow the customers to purchase Trump memes with a major USD payment methods or other digital assets, subject to sanctions, checks, AML, CFT, and anti-fraud controls. Once a customer buy order has been properly authorized, the purchaser will receive the Trump memes in the wallet address nominated by the customer. But again, guys, I showed you guys earlier on CoinMarketCap, you could also buy, Binance, KuCoin, Radium, and it will be available on Coinbase shortly. Not yet, but they already put it on the roadmap. It wouldn't surprise me if they go live, if Trump goes live on Coinbase tomorrow. So you could buy, just about anywhere now. Which blockchain network are the Trump memes minted? Solana. So, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed, Solana made a new all-time high, like 294. I guess the Trump meme coin, is boosting up Solana as well. Solana, don't miss out on Solana. I don't really talk about Solana that much because it's already moved so much, but it is one of my favorites too. I can't really talk about all of them. I love a bunch of coins, but Solana is also one of my favorites. And I do think you could get, to around $1,000 this cycle. That's why I don't talk about it that much, because really, there's only about like a 3 to 4x left. It's around $300 right now. So there's only about like a 3 to 4x left on this cycle. That's why I don't really talk about it, because I talk about projects that have more upside. But if you got into Solana when it was $8 and you sell close to around $1,000, that's still a good over 100x. So don't miss out on Solana. I do think it could get close to $1,000 this cycle. What are the Trump memes? Trump memes are fungible crypto assets created and tracked on the Solana blockchain. What else should I know? Okay, so here's we're not gonna go over it. We're not gonna click here, but be careful. Meme coins, they're very volatile. They could go to zero anytime. So just be careful. It looks like Donald Trump is making billions on it, and he might dump on you. Mr. Donald Trump might dump on you. He's getting into crypto and he's learning the game. He's learning the game. Create your own meme coin. Rally it up and then dump on everybody. So be careful. Mr. Donald Trump might dump on you if you buy in now. So be careful. Okay, we're gonna get into the XRP update, and then we'll cover more Donald Trump meme coin stuff. But let's get right into the XRP update, because we are an XRP lover here. So the current price of XRP is $3.08 at the time of recording. XRP is holding out really good. We've been staying above $3 So we definitely want to stay above $3. We did get it as high as 340, but I told you guys, if you have been listening to my videos, that when we got close to around 350, I did expect a lot of selling off, and that we might be consolidating under 350 for a while, because a lot of people bought that $3.50 price, or close to it, because that's the current all-time high for XRP that it made in 2017. So a lot of people have been holding XRP, above $3 around, for over 7 years. So a lot of people are going to be selling off, when XRP is above $3, just trying to get their money back and break even. So it looks like today we closed around $2.95, and yesterday we closed at $3.26, and the day before that we closed at $3.29. So we've been staying close around $3, and we got to keep closing above $3, and staying above it. And so far we have. Although today we closed at 295, but we bounced back really, really quickly. So definitely, I expect good things for XRP this cycle, and I do believe XRP have already started its next parabolic run. From around like 250. It's just gonna take a little bit, but tomorrow we get a Trump pump, we might see blast off for XRP as well. So look out for XRP tomorrow. We get a Trump pump and Bitcoin goes into a new all-time high above 108K. XRP is gonna blast off. I do believe it started its parabolic move here from 250. And my next price target for XRP, once the next leg up for XRP is done, before it consolidates anymore, is around between like $10 to $15. I do expect a good like 4 to 5, 6x from 250. Once XRP is done with the run up, its next parabolic move to the upside, I expect it to consolidate between like $10 and $15. And I expect this parabolic move to keep going until around like mid-February to late February. So I expect a good $10 to $15 XRP by the time we get to mid-February to late February. So in the short term, I think we're just going to consolidate for the rest of the night. But if tomorrow we get a Trump pump and Bitcoin goes parabolic and gets a new all-time high, XRP is going to follow, and start making a new all-time high as well. It's going to break that 350 wall barrier we have right now, and it's going to go parabolic. And once it's in price discovery, the blue sky, it'll be in blue skies. The sky's the limit. Who knows how high it'll go? But I do expect it to be around 10 to 15 bucks, sometime around a month from right now. So stay bullish on XRP. If you listen to my videos every day, you guys know I'm very bullish on XRP. I do believe XRP and XLM are going to have a massive cycle this time around, just like the 2017 cycle. I do believe they're mimicking the 2017 cycle. Now this time around, I don't expect 500x gains like they did in 2017, but I do believe they could do anywhere between a 50x and 100x. I do believe XRP and XLM could do around 50x or 100x. So a 50x from the bear market low of XRP would be around $15. So that's my realistic price target for XRP, is around $15. And if Bitcoin has a massive bull run, gets over gets close to 250k, then I do see XRP getting close to $30 as well. So stay bullish on XRP, and you'll be reaping the rewards here shortly. Now let's get into the XLM update. Oh, but before I get into the XLM update, let me see here. I see a comment on the live chat. Let me see what it says. It said it's by Big Baby G. It says Trump Twa. Cool, yeah. Well, that's cool, Big Baby G. I always love your comments. Hopefully, you were able to get into the Trump coin early, but I don't know. Usually the insiders probably got in. But that's pretty cool. I love your comments, Trump Twa. All right, let's get into the XLM update. See what XLM is doing at the time of recording. Current price of XLM is 44 cents. And let me see, XLM closed today at 43 cents. So we've just been going sideways for XLM, between like 31 cents $2.50 here for a long time now. We've been going sideways for like basically 2 months now, and I do expect XLM to go parabolic at any time. It's just like XRP. XLM is just waiting on Bitcoin to make a new all-time high, and then we should go parabolic. On the short term, if Bitcoin goes parabolic tomorrow, if we have a Trump pump, we might see a little bit of stallment around 63 cents because that was the 2021 cycle top. But really, I think we'll break past it. I do see more selling off happening around 73 cents because that was the 2017 top, and a lot of people bought that top as well. And people are gonna want to break even after 7 years. So if we go parabolic tomorrow, don't be surprised if XLM hits around 73 cents and then consolidates for a few days, and then goes up even more. And I do believe XLM is just waiting for Bitcoin to go parabolic, and once it does, it's gonna begin its next leg up and its next parabolic move to the upside. And I think it's gonna mimic the move it kind of did here from November 5th to to November 24th. So yeah, let me repeat that again. Once Bitcoin goes parabolic and makes a new all-time high, I do believe XLM is going to mimic the move it had from November 5th, 2024 to November 24th, 2024. So basically, during that time, it went from 9 cents all the way up to 63 cents. So it had basically around a 7x move to the upside. So once Bitcoin goes parabolic, I expect something similar, maybe somewhere between a 5 to 7x to the upside. So right now it's about 44 cents. So 5x, somewhere between a 5x to a 7x, would be around like somewhere between like $2, to $2.80. So I expect XLM to be around $2 and $2.80 sometime in mid-February to late February. So this could happen tomorrow. This could happen early as tomorrow. If we don't get a Trump dump tomorrow, we might get a Trump pump. So it could happen as early as tomorrow. And XLM is going to go parabolic if Bitcoin goes parabolic. Now again, if we do get a Trump dump, I don't expect it to last long. Maybe just like a day or 2 or 3, and then it'll be a V-shaped recovery, and then we'll go parabolic. But either way, I do expect Bitcoin to go parabolic at any time. We're about due. Bitcoin has been in consolidation over 2 months now, or exactly 2 months, and it's time for Bitcoin to go parabolic. You guys have to remember, don't listen to the bears out there. Don't listen to the FUD out there. We're not going to go to 70K, and I don't even think we'll go below 90K. I do believe 90K is going to hold. As soon as we break a new all-time high, all the rest of the cryptos are going to follow. We have to remember that we're in the banana zone of the Bitcoin and crypto cycle, which is basically the last year of the bull run for Bitcoin and cryptos, and the banana zone is where everything goes up. Right now, Bitcoin and cryptos are just going to go up, and I don't see any bearish signals yet. I do believe we're going to see higher prices from now until like mid-March of 2025. Now, once we get into mid-March of 2025, I do see some bearish signals, and we might have a massive correction for Bitcoin, around like a 50% correction or more. But for right now, let's not get bearish. We still got to get to higher prices before we even see a deep correction for Bitcoin. So stay bullish on XLM. My next price on the short term, my next price target is around 63 and then 73 cents. And on the long term, at the top of the bull run, I do see XLM topping off between $3.50 and $7. Just like XRP, I do believe it could do a 50x to 100x this cycle. So a 50x from the bear market low of 7 cents. So the bear market low of XLM was 7 cents. So 50x from 7 cents would be around $3.50, and 100x would be around $7. That's my price target for XLM at the top of the bull run. So let's get right into the Jasmy update. See what Jasmy is doing at the time of recording. Oh, let's see. I got more comments here from Big Baby G. Big Baby G in the house. Let's see what she's saying. She says, Hawk, Tush, rug pull. Oh, I see. You're saying that the Trump is going to be a rug pull like the Hawk Twa rug pull. It could very well be. The next comment says, I'm sorry, I meant Trump Twa as in Hawk Twa. you mentioned the rug pull. I did mention the rug pull, and I do believe it could be a rug pull. You never know with the meme coins because that's the insiders are gonna want to make money. They got in when it was like a 00 something. Like in the first like 15 minutes, it went up. Like over like 500x or 1000x. So like within like the first hour it came out, it was already at $13. So definitely, somebody made money. Mr. Trump and all his friends, his first lady Melania, they're all making money. So don't they gotta cash in, but in order for them to make that money, they gotta cash in. So I don't really know what's gonna happen. Nobody really knows 100% of what's gonna happen, with this Trump coin. But there is a chance that we might see basically a big sell-off for Trump. So it might be a good time. It might be good to see a good retracement. Maybe Trump will go back down to like under like $10. Might be a good time to buy in if it goes under $10. But you never know. It is a meme coin. It might be the next Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu did over like a 10,000x last cycle. So far, I think it's done a little bit over 1,000x. This Trump coin, maybe it's got another like few thousand x's to the upside. But it already does have a high market cap. It's already over $8 billion market cap, and I'm sure Trump and the insiders are gonna want to take profits. So just be careful out there. You never really know what. Nobody really knows with meme coins. There's no chart to it. It just came out on Friday. So I look at the charts. That's why I could see what Bitcoin and XRP and XLM, Jasmy are gonna do, and the rest of the coins with with chart history. But with meme coins that just came out on Friday, nobody knows. It's up in the air. Definitely, it's your choice. If you want to buy Trump coin, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine. Just be careful because it could be a rug pull. Just like Big Baby G says, it could be a rug pull. And thanks again, Big Baby G. I love your comments. All right, let's get right into the Jasmy updates. See what Jasmy is doing at the time of recording. Looks like the current price of Jasmy at the time of recording is 0.27 cents. Looks like the market makers trying to shake out all the Jasmy holders, trying to get everybody fearful. Looks like we made another dip all the way down to 0.2628. Kind of doing like a double bottom here that when we got as low as 0.2662 on January 15. But we did bounce back pretty quickly. We're above 0.27 now. We have a Trump dump tomorrow. Don't get shaken out. We go to like 0.25. I do believe Jasmy is still going to do really good this cycle. It's just consolidating. It's already done a 10x from the bear market low of 0.028. So we're basically right around a 10x right now for Jasmy. A lot of coins after they go up a lot, they have they have big retracements and they consolidate for a long time before the next leg up. So definitely stay bullish on Jasmy. I'm definitely very, very, very bullish on Jasmy. I'm not gonna let the market makers shake me out. I'm not gonna sell my Jasmy, or I'm not gonna sell my Jasmy and buy some Trump. A lot of people are selling their coins and buying Trump. Might be a liquidity grab. Making everybody sell out of their favorite cryptos, put it into Trump, and then they'll rug pull Trump. And then they'll make the cryptos run. I'm definitely not selling my Jasmy. On the short term here, we gotta get back above 3 cents, and after we get it back above 3 cents, we definitely gotta get back above 4 cents. A lot of resistance here at 4 cents. We've been under 4 cents for a long time under Jasmy. Only about 2 weeks we were above 4 cents. That was from December 3rd to December 17th. We went above 4 cents, but then we came right back down. So this 4 cents has been a big barrier, a big wall for Jasmy, but we got to get back above it. And it could happen anytime. We just need Bitcoin to go parabolic and make a new all-time high, and it's going to pull up Jasmy. So hopefully that happens tomorrow. And if it doesn't happen tomorrow, hopefully it happens shortly, because we do want Jasmy to go up higher. Once Bitcoin goes parabolic, I do expect Jasmy, to get as high as around like 9 cents. That's my next price target on the short term for Jasmy. Once we break this local top here at 6 cents, I do expect Jasmy to consolidate somewhere between like 8 to 10 cents. That's my next price target, somewhere around 9 cents for Jasmy. I do expect Once Jasmy goes parabolic here, I expect it to do a similar move like it did here from 2 cents to 6 cents. So, it did a 200x, in about, let's see, it did it in how long? From November 22 to December 5th. So it did it in about, a couple weeks. So maybe, once Jasmy goes parabolic, in 2 weeks, it'll be around 9 cents. So look out for that 9 cents price target. I do expect some consolidation right around 9 cents. And on the long-term price target for Jasmy, you guys have been listening to me. I am very bullish on Jasmy. I do expect Jasmy to get as high as $1. Although some people, are only saying that it could only get to like 30 cents or 60 cents. I do believe it could get to $1. And even if it only got to like 30 cents, that's still a 100x from the bear market low of 0028. And if it got to 60 cents, it's still a 200x from the bear market low of 0028. But I'm saying it could probably even do a 300x and get to $1. But I'll be selling, once again, I might not sell right at $1. Maybe I'll sell like at 95 cents, 94 cents. It just depends, what the market's looking like. Depends what the chart's looking like. Subscribe to the channel and I'll be letting you know when I'm selling my Jasmy. So definitely very bullish on Jasmy. And you guys, I've told you all my reasons, already, because it's got a lot of narratives. It's got an AI narrative. It's got a Web3 gaming narrative. It's got a DeepIn narrative. It's got a robotics narrative. It's got a medical narrative. Jasmy is doing a little bit of everything. And I do believe the Jasmy team is going to be very successful with Jasmy. The Jasmy team is made up of 4 ex-Sony executives. And I do believe they're going to make Jasmy a household name, just like they did with the Sony brand. Everybody knows about the Sony PlayStation, and everybody knows about the Sony electronics. And I believe at the top of the bull run, everybody's going to know about the Jasmy, Bitcoin of Japan. That's what it's known as. It's known as the Bitcoin of Japan. And also in Japan, Jasmy is the only coin that has clarity, the only crypto that has clarity, besides Bitcoin, I believe. So let's get right into more Trump news here. See what's going on with this Trump meme coin here. It looks like the Trump meme coin makes a record price run, possibly multiplying Donald Trump's net worth by 5x. The official Trump meme coin has seen almost a $10 billion in trading volume in less than 24 hours, and the rally looks like it's set to continue. On January 18, 2025, the cryptocurrency market witnessed a significant event with the launch of the official Trump meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Its price has soared over 490% in less than 24 hours. So the official Trump becomes top 30 crypto overnight. Donald Trump has announced the token from his official accounts in Truth Social and X, and token's introduction led to a whirlwind of activity, capturing headlines and the attention of traders worldwide. Within just 3 hours of its launch, Trump's market capitalization soared to an astonishing $8 billion, putting it in the top 30 cryptocurrencies. Trump's market cap is currently $5.7 billion with a fully diluted market value of $28.5 billion. See, I told you guys, within the first 3 hours, it was already over $8 billion. It did over like 1,000x. So, I wish I would have been an insider and I knew he was going to do that. I mean, I'd be a billionaire by now. But it's all good. I mean, money's not everything, but it sure helps. This rapid rise was fueled by a near 500% surge in value shortly after its debut, with 24-hour trading volumes exceeding $12 billion. The launch of Trump has profound impact on the Solana ecosystem. Yeah, it's gone over it's gone as high as $294. Let's see here. 80% of Trump owned by one. 80% of the Trump meme coin is owned by one wallet. I wonder what wallet that is. Probably Mr. Donald Trump's wallet. That guy is rich. It says here, Donald Trump's net worth is up $22 billion overnight, assuming CIC Digital LLC and Fight LLC, which collectively owns 80% of the Trump supply. So it belongs to Mr. Trump. Look at this, guys. Mr. Trump is made like $22 billion overnight. What a lucky man this man is. That's awesome for him, and kudos to him. I mean, if he has the power to do it, why not? I wish I wish I could create a meme coin and make $20 billion overnight. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm happy with who I am and what I am. So what's more, at the current price of around $28, the stake is worth $22.4 billion. So basically, Mr. Trump is rich. He's $20 billion more rich than he already was. Let's see, we got more Trump news here. See what it says here. Okay, I like this article right here. So what the release of Trump's meme coin signals for crypto regulations. The Solana-based meme coin surged to a market cap over $6 billion one day after launching, but allegedly violates the U.S. Constitution. President-elect Trump has launched a meme coin aptly named Official Trump on January 17, drawing both praise and criticism from attorneys, with some arguing that the token signals a positive regulatory shift in the United States and others warning of a constitutional violation. So, in a written statement, consensus attorney Bill Hughes characterized the incoming Trump administration as a sea change. The attorney told Cointelegraph, rather than have other countries dictate how this pace transforms the internet, commerce, and investment, they want a regulatory structure that allows creation and experimentation here. They want growth and see crypto as one way the U.S. can achieve it. Okay, so that's enough of that. I don't want to read the whole article, but there was something cool here I wanted to read. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. Attorney questions legality of president-elect's token. I think that's what I wanted to read. Attorney David Lesperance told Cointelegraph that the president-elect's meme coin launch violates stipulations in the United States Constitution designed to prevent foreign influence over U.S. government officials. In the past, President-elect Trump's launch of his meme coin Trump would have been seen to be a clear example of a violation of the Foreign Emoluments Clause, Article 1, Section 9, Clause 8 of the United States Constitution. Given that Trump can be easily purchased by foreign individuals or governments, let me read that again. Given that Trump can be easily purchased by foreign individuals or governments, this would appear to be a violation of this clause, the attorney said. However, it remains to be seen whether or not the incoming Attorney General of the United States, Pam Bondi, takes enforcement against Trump for the meme coin. So we have to wait and see. I guess this attorney is saying, I don't know the exact, I'm not an expert on the Constitution, but it looks like this attorney is saying that, that Trump, that the president, Donald Trump, by creating this meme coin, he's violating, the Constitution. But if you don't, if the Attorney General doesn't, take action against him, then nothing happens. So we're gonna have to wait and see if there's a new Attorney General. I guess Pam Bondi, she's gonna take enforcement against Trump for for creating this meme coin. But if Trump appointed the Attorney General Pam Bondi, she probably won't. But we'll have to wait and see. We'll wait and see what's going to happen. This is why I was saying, be careful out there. There might be a rug pull, on the Trump official meme coin, because supposedly it violates, the Constitution. So if it does violate the Constitution, it might just be one big rug pull. But again, if Trump appoints the Attorney General, there's a chance that that Pam Bondi might not even take action against him. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. It's all up in the air. We don't know what happens. But if you were able to buy it, early, then kudos to you and you made money. That's what crypto is all about here. Again, this is not a political channel. I'm not a Republican. I'm not a Democrat. I'm not anything. I just love crypto. I'm a crypto enthusiast. I'm a crypto investor. And my name of the game is just make money on crypto. That's what I love to do. So let's get back into the XCN update, and then I have more Trump official meme coin coverage. But right now, let's get right into the XCN update, and then we'll get more back into the Trump meme coin. So current price of Onyx coin XCN is 00998. it looks like we closed today we closed at 0.1, basically a penny. We closed at a penny today, so that's pretty good. We're staying above a penny. And the day before that, we closed at 0.11, and the day before that, we closed at 0.833. But we gotta try to make a penny to support. We've basically been moonshotting. We already mooned over over a 10x. The bear market low for XCN was 0007. So we're basically above a 12x right now. We're like a 12x above the bear market low. So let's see. I'm hoping the XCN could build a support line here above a penny, or right around a penny. Consolidate for a while here around a penny. Because nothing goes up in a straight line. After the coin's moonshot, there's always a retracement and consolidation. That's the way Bitcoin and cryptos work, and that's healthy for the crypto, because after a moonshot, it retraces and consolidations. After the consolidation, it's basically it gets ready and coils up for the next leg up. So we might be consolidating here for a few days, around a penny for Onyx coin. But kudos to you if you got into Onyx coin, pretty close to the bear market low. I got pretty close to the bear market low, so I'm doing pretty good on Onyx coin XCN. But even if you didn't get in at the bear market low, I still think XCN is still a good buy. Right now, especially after its retracement, anywhere around a penny, I think it's a good buy, because I do believe in the long term XCN is going to be massive. I do believe XCN is going to be one of those chosen DeFi, decentralized finance coins. We're in the future. Like all the banks are going to be using XCN, and BlackRock and all these big institutions are going to probably invest into XCN, because it's basically an early DeFi protocol, and it's been doing it for a long time now. So and it's very popular amongst the DeFi users. It's got staking over 29%. So a lot of people are staking their XCN and making 29% APR returns. You go to a bank and you get a 1% or 2% APR on your savings account. So definitely DeFi, decentralized finance, is the way of the future. I do believe that's the main reason crypto and digital assets were created for. So definitely don't miss out on DeFi. Projects like Aave, XCN, Compound. I do believe they're the future of crypto, and they're the main reason the cryptocurrencies got created for. And I do believe the global governments are definitely pushing decentralized finance. I do believe they want to go digital. They want to get rid of paper money, and I do believe decentralized finance is the future. So don't miss out on XCN. I do believe XCN could get a size 25 cents at the top of the bull run. So even if you bought in right now, you still have a good 25x. But I do believe in the next bull run cycle, XCN might even get to $1. So I'm talking about like 5 years from now. So 5 years from now, XCN might even get to $1. So if you're a long-term investor, even buying it right now at a penny, you could secure yourself, a good 100x in about 5 years if you're a long-term investor. But if you're a short-term investor, I do see a good 25x left in XCN at the top of the bull run. I do believe XCN could at least get to 25 cents at the top of this bull run. So don't miss out on XCN. It's being backed by heavy hitters. In case you don't know, Visa is heavily backing XCN. So is the NASDAQ stock market. Now that's why I got into XCN. When I saw Visa, but especially the NASDAQ stock market, heavily invested into XCN, I got in it. Because I'm like, the NASDAQ stock market getting into XCN? Heavily backing it? The NASDAQ market's huge. So that's why I got in it. They're not going to let XCN, get rug pulled or go to zero. They got, millions and millions of dollars invested into XCN. So definitely, I'm bullish on XCN. And I do believe it could get to at least 25 cents. But again, here on the short term, I do expect some consolidation here around a penny. But I do expect, I do expect it to go higher. And as soon as Bitcoin, makes a new all-time high, we might get the next leg up for XCN. And probably my next price target for XCN is probably going to be somewhere around 3 cents. I do see it doing at least a good 200% move to the upside around 3 cents as soon as Bitcoin goes parabolic and gets to a new all-time high. And again, just to summarize, at the top of the bull run, I do see it getting to at least 25 cents. All right, let's get right into the Avax. Let's get right into the Avax update. See what Avalanche is doing at the time of recording. The current price of Avalanche at the time of recording is $35.38. Don't miss out on Avalanche. I mean, it's been giving a lot of opportunities to buy in right now. It's kind of being suppressed right now. I mean, Avalanche to me is like a AAA blockchain. I mean, I do expect it to be in the top 10 cryptos at the top of the bull run and for a long time. I mean, Avalanche is like the number one, Web3 gaming blockchain. It's got like real world asset blockchain. It's got a very good team, and I do believe it's going to do really good this cycle. Now, last cycle, in the 2021 cycle, Avalanche was a late bloomer. It was also, like kind of suppressed, in the beginning, in the middle of the bull run. But, like the last few months of the bull run, it went parabolic. And I think the same thing's going to happen again. I do believe, it's going to be a late bloomer, and the top of the bull run for Avalanche is going to come in sometime around September 2025. So, I mean, if you like Avalanche and you want like a for sure play, because, Avalanche, it's one of those cryptos that's definitely not going to go to zero. It's not going to get rug pull. It's definitely, being used, for real world assets. Even the California DMV already has all the California vehicles on the Avalanche blockchain. All the titles of the California vehicles are on the Avalanche blockchain. So, I mean, once Donald Trump takes office tomorrow and makes clarity for cryptos, and I don't see why the other DMVs of the U.S. states are not going to follow California lead and put it into blockchain. And a lot of them, since already California put it into the Avax blockchain, they might just follow suit and put it in the Avax blockchain as well. So I'm definitely very bullish on Avalanche. I think it's going to do really good this cycle. I think it could get as high as at $300 minimum. I mean, that's like the worst case scenario. That's almost guaranteed. But again, nothing's guaranteed. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or anybody says so. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But I definitely love Avalanche. I hold a lot of Avalanche. I got lucky and I bought Avalanche, when it was pretty close to the bear market low. I bought it around $9. I do believe it got as low as like $8.60 or $8.70, right around there. But I was lucky enough to buy it right around $9. So, I'm holding a lot of Avalanche, and I do expect it to get to at least $300. And but realistically, I do believe it could get closer to around $500 to $600. I am very bullish on Avalanche, and I do think it's going to do really good this cycle. So stay bullish on Avalanche. We've been consolidating here on the short term here between between like $30 and like $45 for like a long time, like over 2 months now, or right around 2 months. So we've just been consolidating. We were a little bit above 45, for like a couple of weeks, but then we came right back down. But I do believe Avalanche is just waiting for Bitcoin. And as soon as Bitcoin goes parabolic and it makes a new all-time high, I do believe it's going to have a massive bull run, kind of like the XCN run, where it did like like a 5-6x here, in a few days. I expect something for Avalanche shortly. So if Avalanche is like a 5x here, as soon as Bitcoin goes parabolic, it could be 5 times 35. It's right around $175. So my next price target for Avalanche, once it starts going parabolic, is to at least pass its current all-time high of $140, but it could get to at least to around $175. And I expect a good price between 140 and 175 for Avalanche sometime around mid-February to late February, once it's done with its parabolic run. But that's not going to be the end for Avalanche. That might be a local top, and then it'll retrace, consolidate, and go for the next leg up. And again, at the top of the bull run, I do expect Avalanche to be somewhere between $300 and $600 for Avalanche. So stay bullish on Avalanche. Now let's get more into the Trump meme coin news. See what else they're saying about the Trump meme coin. I also like this article here that they did on the Trump meme coin, and it reads like this: Trump meme coin hits top 15 worldwide in 48 hours, sparking tax cut rumors. Rumors have surfaced about potential crypto tax reforms as Donald Trump's official meme coin hits $71 billion in fully diluted value and rises to the 15th largest crypto in the world, although right now it's at number 22. Rumors about the potential tax rate cuts. Let me read that again. Rumors about potential tax cuts or complete removal of taxes on crypto capital gains are circulating, fueled by the buzz surrounding U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's official meme coin, Official Trump, with the ticker TRUMP. The Solana-based token has flipped major meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. Well, I don't know about Shiba and Doge. I think they're wrong there. They have definitely not flipped Shiba Inu and Doge. They have higher market caps than Trump. But it definitely did flip Pepe, achieving a fully diluted valuation of $71 billion, according to CoinGecko. Trump is now the 15th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, reaching it under 48 hours. Currently, cryptocurrency in the U.S. is taxed as property, meaning any sale, trade, or disposal of crypto is subject to capital gains tax. Yeah, just get rid of it, Mr. Trump. Please get rid of the capital gains tax. I would love it if you did. Short-term capital gains for assets held less than a year are taxed at rates ranging from 10% to 37%, depending on the individual's income. Based on income levels, long-term capital gains for assets held for a year are taxed from 0 to 20%. Yeah, that's crazy, man. And on top of that, in case you don't know, like in California, okay, let's just say you get taxed like 37% on short-term capital gains. On top of that, California taxes you like another 13%. So that would be like a 50%, capital gains tax if you live in California. If you're doing a short-term, capital gains, it's crazy. I sure hope Mr. Trump, either lowers the capital gains tax or just gets rid of it. Just get rid of it, man. It's not it's not property. It's cryptocurrency. It's money. It's like $1, man. Just get rid of the capital gains tax. I'm all for it. So let's see what else this article says here. Investors, crypto founders, and community members believe that the success of Trump token could potentially influence tax reforms. Now that 80% of Trump's wealth suddenly consists of crypto, you can expect an end to all federal income taxes on crypto sales within a year. This is how the game is played, wrote Mike Alfred, a crypto investor and founder, Alpine Fox LP. So this is what he says here. Trump, here's what he says here. This guy called Gamachan. Here's a take I haven't seen yet. Trump is up around $20 billion on his token. That means an extra $5 billion in his pocket if he eliminates capital gains on crypto. The President of the United States now has a personal multi-billion-dollar incentive to eliminate crypto capital gains tax. So yeah, definitely, I would love it. If this happens, I would love this to become true. I really hope Mr. Donald J. Trump, holds good on his promises and gives clarity to cryptos. But most above all, I would love it if he gets rid of the cryptocurrency's capital gains tax. Just get rid of it. I would love that. So I thought this article was pretty cool because that's something I would love is if we got rid of the capital gains tax, then we'd all have way more money, at least here in the U.S. And another article I wanted to read to you guys. This is by Arthur Hayes here. It says Trump targets 100 billion market cap as Arthur Hayes calls on degens to celebrate. So basically, Trump meme coin price could be headed towards $100 by the inauguration. I don't think so. It might though. I mean, you never know. You never know with meme coins. But I just want to read this what Arthur Hayes wrote. He says, Trump meme coin to 100 billion or 100 billion. Arthur Hayes, the co-founder of cryptocurrency exchange BitMEX, has stirred the crypto community with his latest commentary on the Trump meme coin. He says this, more than halfway there, Hayes said on January 19 today, as Trump was trading around $60. Well, it already retraced. Let's see what price is at before I keep going there. Let's see what price. Okay, this is Melania. It's still at $8. Still not doing good, but she already made her millions. So let's see. Where's Trump here? Here, bear with me, guys. Just waiting on the computer here. What happened? All right, let me get back in there. Don't know what happened, but we're just looking for Trump here. All right, we're back. Let's see Trump. Here's official Trump. Oh, number 18 already. It's just fluctuating between like 22 and 18. Oh, it's almost about to. It's about to flip Shiba Inu now. Oh, I guess maybe when it was at $60, it flipped Shiba Inu, but not right now. It's one behind Shiba Inu. But what was I gonna look for? Oh yeah, the price. So it's already at $50. It went back up. It was at $43 when I first started this live stream. It was at $43 and it's going back up. So is it gonna go back up? You know, and go up higher than $75? It got as high as $75 according to CoinMarketCap, or is it just gonna keep ranging? You know, between like 35 and and like $60. We'll wait and see. But let's see though. Let's see. It's right behind Shiba Inu now. It's number 18. Just waiting for CoinMarketCap here. Yep, it's number 18. It has a it has a $10 billion market cap, and Shiba Inu is $12 billion market cap. So it's, it's riding the coattails of Shiba Inu. It might pass Shiba Inu here shortly. It's just about $2 billion away. So we'll see what happens. So let's get right into get back to the article here about Trump. So basically, Arthur Hayes says, "Degens, let's celebrate the emperor by sending his meme coin to 100 billion by Monday." Well, I'm sure Mr. Arthur Hayes was probably an insider, probably a friend of Mr. Donald Trump. He probably got in it when it was, like a 00 something. He's probably a millionaire by now. So he's, he definitely wants to make the price go up higher, make us exit liquidity. He wants retail to become exit liquidity, and, he's going to take profits, and make millions. So what they do, guys, be careful out there with these meme coins. Unless you got in it early. I mean, if you got in it early, then kudos to you. That the name of the game of crypto is to make money. So this rallying cry was a call to action and a prediction of the meme coin's trajectory. Hayes hinted at a $100 billion market cap by the day of Donald Trump's U.S. presidential inauguration on January 20. Well, he's got like about like 6 more hours until he takes office. So we'll have to wait and see. But actually, here in the USA, in the East Coast, we're only like 15 minutes away from January 20th. I don't know exactly when he takes office. Does that mean does Donald Trump take office like right at midnight on January 20th, or does he take it like does he have to wait for the inauguration speech whenever it's done today? I don't know, but either way, I don't think it'll get to $100. Yeah, so basically, this guy Arthur Hayes, he's probably a insider, one of Mr. Donald J. Trump's friends. He probably got in it when it was way under a penny. He's made millions already, so he definitely wants people to keep buying, make those retail people who buy exit liquidity. So let's see what else he wrote here. He says, "Meme coins are the best fan engagement tool ever invented. If Trump is doing it, then it's less risky for Beyonce and Swift to do it as well." He says, "Prepare your butts for meme coin explosion." Yeah, even Mr. Trump's wife is doing it now, Melania. I mean, she's making money off this too. We're probably going to see a frenzy of all these rich people and famous people, making millions and billions by pumping their coins up and then doing quick sell-off. So just be careful. If you see, like Beyonce and Diddy and whoever these famous people are, and do their own meme coins. I mean, unless you buy in early. I mean, if you're like, if you buy in within the first 15 minutes, I mean, then kudos to you. Go ahead and buy it. And take profits. Like a few hours later. But if you're an early investor, then it's cool. So you make money on it. But once it pumps, be careful on buying it, because they're gonna be selling off, making their millions and their billions. So yeah, just be careful out there, guys. It's really risky with meme coins, but you could make a lot of money with meme coins. So just be careful. But yeah, kudos to Mr. Trump. He's definitely a billionaire. I mean, he's like $20 billion richer, so that's good for him. So this is the last article I want to read to you about Mr. Trump here. It reads like this: Donald Trump's meme coin drops 38% as wife Melania launches token. Melania Trump launched a meme coin after her husband Trump token hit a $15 billion peak valuation before falling nearly 40%. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's controversial meme coin fell 38% as his wife, incoming First Lady Melania Trump, launched a meme coin of her own, which has hit a value of $6 billion within under 2 hours. Yeah, see, they made their millions, within 2 hours. I don't know. I wasn't. I didn't see. How far down the Melania meme coin started, but it probably did. It probably got close to 1,000x as well. I don't really know. I haven't researched it, but in 2 hours it reached $6 billion market cap. So that's good for them, I guess. These rich people are even making more money, so it's good for them. So that's awesome. Maybe one day we could make our own meme coin and make millions as well. But just be careful trading these meme coins, guys. The Trump, it's already done over 1,000x. Melania, it's already up over $6 billion. Just be careful. There might still be more upside to it, but it might become a rug pull, because remember, there was this attorney guy saying that that Donald Trump, being the president, by him creating a meme coin, he's violating the Constitution. So maybe tomorrow or in a few days we'll get like a statement saying, oh, I gotta rug pull this coin because it's against the Constitution. Sorry. So just be careful with that. We don't know what's going to happen. It's a risk, just like meme coins. There might be some more upside to it. So if you do decide to invest into Trump, and if you do decide to invest into Trump and the Melania meme coins, just be careful. I wouldn't invest my whole life savings on it. Maybe just a few $100s. I myself bought some Trump. I only invested $500 just to see if I could I do like a quick like 2x or 3x. But if it after it does a 2 to 3x, I'm out. I'm not gonna hold it for that long because I bought it pretty high. I'm just seeing what's gonna do. I just have a feeling it might go up a little bit more, but there is a chance it might get rug pull. So just be careful out there. If I lose $500, I lose $500. That's why it's a calculated risk that I'm doing. So just be careful out there. And the last thing I want to go over here is the DXY. See what the DXY is doing. See if it's going up or down, because we all know that if the DXY is going up, that's going to suppress Bitcoin and cryptos and keep Bitcoin and cryptos down a little longer. Current price of DXY is $109.10. We just wanted to stay under 110.17 because that's the local top right now. It made on January 13th. It was $110.17. It was downtrending, but now it had a green day on January 17th, and right now it's just going sideways. It was closed for the weekend, so I do believe it. I think it just opened Sunday. I think it opens up Sunday at 5 p.m. So I do believe it's open already, or is it still closed? Let me see. Oh yeah, it's open because it's moving. 109, 110.4. But basically, it's just it is going down because actually on the 17th it closed at 109.40. So it seems to be going down again. So hopefully the DXY goes down, because in case you don't know, the DXY, which is the US dollar index, and Bitcoin price have an inverse relationship. The higher the DXY goes, the more Bitcoin is suppressed, and the lower the DXY goes, the higher the Bitcoin goes in price. So we want this DXY price to keep going down, down, down. So we'll keep an eye on it every day. But right now, it was closed for the weekend, so it's basically the same price it was when it closed on Friday, although it is down a few cents. So hopefully it keeps going down. So let's see. Do I have anything else on Trump? That's about it. Just basically remember. Let's check out one last time what the price is for the Donald Trump meme coin. See if it's might be mooning or it might be dumping. Let's see where it's at. So it's number 18. in CoinMarketCap, right behind Shiba Inu at 17. Market cap right now is $10,700,000,000, just $2 billion behind Shiba Inu. So it might flip Shiba Inu here at any time. Let's see. The current price is $51.27. When I started this stream, it was around $43. So that was about an hour ago. So it's grinding up again. It did get as high as $75. Around 1 p.m. Today, and it corrected all the way down to like $38. Around like 3:30 p.m. today, and it's just been kind of grinding up ever since. And then, it might be going up. It is this is day tomorrow. This is inauguration day tomorrow. So the question is, are we gonna see a Trump pump or Trump dump? Nobody really knows 100% what's gonna happen, but I'm thinking, if I had to bet money on it, I would say that 60%. We're going to have a Trump pump tomorrow, and 40% we're going to have a Trump dump. So I'm more in the camp that we're going to have a Trump pump tomorrow. But either way, if we do have a Trump dump tomorrow, don't get shaken out. Don't sell your favorite cryptos or Bitcoin. Don't get shaken out of your position. If we do have a Trump dump, it'll be one last final shakeout by the market makers trying to scare everybody out. Before we go parabolic, because I do believe we're due for Bitcoin to break out. We're at exactly 2 months of consolidation for Bitcoin, and that has been the average this cycle for Bitcoin to consolidate has been around 8 weeks, 2 months. So we're about due for a parabolic run to the upside for Bitcoin. So don't get shaken out just in case we have a Trump dump tomorrow. But I do believe 60%. That we're going to have a Trump pump, and about 40% we're going to have a Trump dump. So I'm more inclined that we're going to have a Trump pump tomorrow. So get ready. If we do have a Trump pump, I'm sure Bitcoin's going to go parabolic, and we're going to make a new all-time high. And, that's going to make all our favorite cryptos go parabolic as well. So yeah, guys, just be careful. Just one last time. If we do have a Trump dump tomorrow, don't let the market maker shake you out. It'll be just one last final shakeout before Bitcoin eventually goes parabolic. If we do have a Trump dump tomorrow, the lower prices might only last a few days, and then we'll recover and go parabolic. But even if we do have a massive Trump dump tomorrow, I don't expect Bitcoin to go under 90K. I do believe 90K is the line in the sand for Bitcoin. I do believe there's a lot of support at 90K. We are not going to go under 90K. I don't know 100% for sure. I don't have a crystal ball. But, from my research and, looking at the charts, I do believe 90K will hold for Bitcoin. So don't get shaken out in case we do have a Trump dump tomorrow. But most likely, I'm more inclined to say that we're probably going to have a Trump pump tomorrow. About 60%, I'm inclined to say Trump pump, and about 40% Trump dump. So I'm hoping it's a Trump pump because, we all want to make money, and the higher the prices go, the more money we make. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.